Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Now let's tap on backup, and as you can see we will be immediately transferred to this Google backup. So let's tap on add account. And to make sure that you've got the internet connection it is required, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, up to you. Now we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Alright, here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide whether we want to back up the contacts, up to you. I don't want to turn it on. There we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can of course read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after the reading. And there we've got the information about the backup, so we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can also tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And there we've got another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up and when, and the advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off, so you can avoid some charges which may appear after using your mobile data for the backup. Alright, so to finish everything we have to tap on backup now, and right now your device is backing up your data. Of course, confirm it with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.